What's going on, guys? Over the years, calling in tons of bulls, both me and my dad, we kind of got it dialed in to where we found a few elk calls, a few diaphragms that we really enjoy, we really like using, just experimenting with different brands, different latexes. And when my dad decided to make his own calls, which is this bugle tube and the Backbone Unlimited call right here, it's pretty much all of the ones we liked combined into two specific diaphragms, the medium and the heavy. That's the diaphragm, bugle tube. But the main focus on this video is to show you guys the three main calls, the three calls I ever use, and the three only calls that you really need when you're calling in elk. When you start getting into the chuckles and other calls like that, in my opinion, it's starting to get into overcalling. It doesn't necessarily have to be more frequent calling is overcalling, but it can also be the type of calls you use. And so the three main calls that you'll need, you don't need any more than these, is the location bugle or a tail end bugle, whichever one's easier for you to make, a regular cow call, or the lip ball, also known as the bull calling cows bugle. That's really the main three you need, so I'm going to show you all three. This is the cow call. And then this is the location bugle. Just a long, pretty bugle. The tail end bugle is this if you can't do the full bugle. Just kind of midway to the end drop off. And then the last one is the lip ball or the bull calling cows bugle. So those are the three you need. If you're using any more than that, in my opinion at least, it's overcalling. In terms of what the elk are saying and expecting to hear realistically from another elk, those are the calls that are going to either bring them in or piss them off, or that heightens the level of their testosterone and that forces them to come in. Anything other than that, the chuckle is a bull talking to a bull. It just, from my experience, the chuckle, anything extra just doesn't really make the magic happen. And so those are the three you need. You can use code WILDBORN10 to save a bit of money on these and support what I do. That's at backboneunlimited.com. It's getting close to season. I expect myself, as everyone else, is practicing their calls, dialing it in to the best of their ability. Good luck this season, and I hope this helped you, dial in something to create a simpler process, and so there's not all this information blown your way that really won't help you in the elk woods. So hope that helps. Good luck this season. Hope you go try out some of these calls. They're amazing.